Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fluffy quiche. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and blind bake the crust for 10 minutes to avoid sogginess. Whisk 4 eggs with 1 cup cream and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Fold in 1 cup grated cheese and cooked vegetables for texture. Pour filling into crust, bake until set but slightly jiggly, then cool briefly before slicing and serving warm. Use a 1:1 ratio of eggs to cream for a tender, custard-like filling, and adjust for richer texture by adding more cream. Sauté vegetables until softened and cool them before adding to avoid watering down the custard. Grate firm cheeses finely for even melting and distribute fillings evenly to prevent sinking. Season layers as you build the quiche so every bite is flavored, and allow the quiche to rest for 10 minutes. Set the oven to 375 degrees F and bake quiche on the middle rack to promote even browning and gentle cooking. Check doneness when edges are set and center jiggles slightly like soft custard. It will firm as it cools. Let the quiche rest 10 minutes before slicing to finish cooking and make clean slices. Store leftovers wrapped in the fridge for up to 3 days and reheat gently to retain creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.